In today's video, we will see the unboxing and review of Borosil OTG. I love baking and I always wanted to own those fancy built-in ovens, but we chose this 60-liter OTG since the built-in ones are way too expensive, and this 60-liter OTG from Borosil come in as a great budget-friendly option. Inside the box you will find the main unit, one removable crumb tray for better cleaning, one cooking tray, handle to take out the cooking tray, rotisserie rod set, rotisserie handle, and one grill rack. This is having a capacity of 60 liters and is having multiple functions. That includes convection, rotisserie, grill, bake and toast. As it's Borosil, it has borosilicate double glass door. It has keep warm function, which will keep the oven running at minimum temperature to keep your food warm. Power indicator automatically turns on when the timer is set. Motorized rotisserie for uniform grilling function is also available in this OTG. 12-stage heating option is available. As it's 60 liter, we can keep multiple trays at once. It's very easy to operate as it has 4 knobs for setting temperature, mode and heating rod, and timer to adjust as per your recipe. For easy assistance, it comes with a guidebook and recipe book with all details to understand your oven. It's quite spacious to bake multiple items. Illuminated chamber is really helpful to keep a check on items baking. I would say it's really important as I previously owned an oven without light bulb and it was quite tough to see the baked level without taking out the tray. Big double glazed glass on front, so it's quite easy to keep an eye on every corner of the tray. If you're looking to buy a high capacity OTG like the built-in ones, I would highly recommend buying this instead of the built-in one since the 60-liter standalone OTG come in as a great budget-friendly option. We have tried making cake, pizza, cookies, grilled chicken and everything have come perfectly well. Thank you so much for watching and I really hope you found this video useful. So as always, please do like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you soon with another video. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye.